Okay. Let's get started. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
How are you getting on?
I'm fine. How about you?
I am doing well, thanks. Who is missing?
Adit, Mr. Nasrul.
Why? Why are they missing?
Perhaps they go from their house, maybe.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Okay, I see. I think we can start now. Before we start our lesson, please, Dedi, can lead your friend to pray together.
Because Dedi can pray together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, thanks, Mr. Dedi. Okay, today we will start our first lesson, first sociology lesson. Yeah. The topic is social groups. You can look at the screen. The title is social groups. In this lesson, we will discuss about first, learn what is a social group. Second, understand how social groups began. Yeah. Third, talk about how groups grow, change, and break apart. And the last, learn about different types of social groups. Okay. Okay. Next, take out your books and open them at page 3. Page 3. You can open your books, sociology, and open page 3. Yeah. Look at the picture on page 3, or you can look at on the screen. Yeah. It shows a group of people playing Bakyak, traditional game. Yeah, called Bakyak. Yeah. Have you ever played Bakyak?
Yes, I have.
Yeah. Only Mr. Eka? Only Eka? No. Dedi?
I don't know.
Miss Hoyer.
Yeah. Khair, Eka, Dedi?
Yes, I know.
Yeah. Eka, what do you feel when you play Bakyak game?
I am very happy.
Very happy.
Yeah, very excited.
Very excited. Yeah. Cause? Why?
Because the play was game by together.
By team. Okay. Daddy?
Yes.
What do you feel when you play Bakyak game?
I'm very enthusiastic about game. It's make me happy, make me smart social.
Smart social. Yeah. Okay. I have a question for Mr. Dedi. Yeah. Can one person win Bakyak game alone? Yes or no?
Yes.
Are you sure? Yes. Can one person, only one person, win? Oh, yeah. No. Yeah.
One team.
Yeah, one team. Yeah, cause that game, the players need to work together and listen to one leader and move at the same time. This is a good example for social groups. Okay, you understand it? The example? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. I think we must play game first, to check your focus, because in the morning we must focus, to understand the topic. Okay. Okay. Everyone can stand up.
Stand up.
I will check your focus. Your focus. Okay. This one, Harvey. The instructions. If I say an animal with leaves in the sky, touch your head. Touch your head. If I say an animal which lives on land, touch your shoulders. Shoulders. And if I say an animal which lives in water, touch your knees. Touch your knees. Yeah, let's try it. Yeah. If I say an animal which lives, amphibian, amphibian, yeah, or crocodile, crab, yeah. We must jump. Yeah, jump. Yeah. In the morning, we must move our body. Yeah. Okay, let's try. Eagle. Eagle. Okay. Crocodile. Okay. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. Jellyfish.
Water.
Yeah. Actually. Lion. Lion. Yeah. Okay. Owl. Owl. You know owl? Owl. Yeah. Owl is good. Yeah. Yeah. Dolphin. Okay. Crab. Crab. You know crab? Classic crab. It's common. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Mr. Okay, we start our discuss about social group. But first, what is a social group? Yeah, what is a social group? Please, Nashul, read on the screen the sentence. Please read loud.
Sit or
Yes,
stay?
sit.
Okay.
Stay in.
Number one, what social groups? A social group is two or more people who interact or share common goals. Members often have shared values, norms, and a sense of belonging.
Thank you, Miss Nashul. Social group is two or more people, yeah. Not only one, must two or more people who interact and set common goals. They must interact, they must have communication. And often the members have shared values, goals, rules, and a sense of belonging. The characteristics of social groups. The first, interaction between members. Yeah, the members must communication interaction. Number two, shared goals. Yeah, shared goal or interest. You know interest? Yeah, in bahasa ketertarikan, minat. And number three, group identity and unity. And number four is social structure, roles or roles and roles. Yeah. And the last, share values, norms, and a sense of belonging. This is characteristic of social groups. And the second topic, how social groups began. Yeah. Social groups began with communication, and shared interest and the need to do something together. I have an example. You can look at the picture. Anyone can or ever play band with Nasrul. Ever play band? Join band. You have band.
Not sure. I'm not member of band, but I like sing a song, sir.
Sing a song. Yes, sing a song.
It was bless sir, but my favorite song, sir.
Yeah. The example, like the new students in the school, they are come in the school and meet each other and they communication. They are communicate with each other, and some students have same goals or same hobbies. Yeah, like Mr. Daddy play guitar, Nasrul sing a song, Eka play drum. They meet, they communicate. They have some interest, they share goals, and they created the band. Yeah. The name is King Band. King Band. Or King Ahmad Band.
Lewis Band.
King Band, yeah. They communicate and share goals, share interests, and the last they create, yeah. They create a band. Okay, the third, yeah, how groups grow, change, or break apart. You can look the picture on the screen. What is your name? What is name? Yeah, his name. Sorry. Charlie.
Noah.
Asma, no. She know. His name. Her name. His name. I'm sorry. Uki. You know Uki?
Oh.
Uki. Sakti. You know Sakti?
Yes.
No.
Yeah. It's coming.
I'm sorry.
Yeah. Very fantastic though.
Boy.
Young students in the class. Okay, groups grow when members corporate, and groups change because of new ideas or problems. Yeah, new ideas or problems, and groups break apart when their purpose and or conflict happen. Like Uki, Sakti, or Peter Pan. You know Peter Pan.
Yes.
Yeah, they break apart here. Their band break apart because their purpose and conflict happen. Next, the fourth, different types of social groups. Yeah. The types of social group, number one is primary group. You know primary group characteristics. This is small groups, close personal interaction, personal relationship. Example, family, close friend. Non-formal relationships. And number two, secondary group. The characteristic is larger group, formal and task focused. Example, co-workers, classmates. They are non-personal relationships. They communicate about the job. They communicate about the job, about the task in the office, in the school. Is secondary group. Yeah. Okay. Next. After that, please turn on page 4. Page 4 on your book. Page 4. Page 4. Page 4. Page 4. You will see 5 sentences. 5 sentences. Please read each one and put a check mark. You can answer agree or disagree. Agree or disagree. Also write your reason. For the sentences. I give 2 minutes to do exercise. Okay. Please agree or disagree. Choose. Agree or disagree. Before you write your answer, I will ask you. I will ask you. Number 4, page 4. Okay, stop writing, guys. Stop writing. Please, Eka, tell us about your answer number 1 and tell your opinion on us.
For number 1, my answer is agree.
Okay, because
it will be a process for knowing each other and interact. So the members of the social group for the beginning, it must not to be each other, knowing each other, because it was by process.
Thank you, Mr. Eka. Give applause to Eka. Number 2, I think Eddie.
Number 2.
Yeah.
My opinion is not agree.
Because
The concept is different for social group social. And for example, Bhinneka Tunggal Ika. Different is what?
number 3, Hasma, please tell us about your answer.
Number 3, agree.
Agree.
Yeah.
Because
Mean of interest.
same interest.
Yeah, the same interest.
Okay. Thank you, Hasma, Dedi, for your answer and your opinion. Okay. Well done, class. You have studied well today. Okay. In conclusion, social groups are an important part of society. They help people connect to work together and feel a sense of belonging. And humans are created differently, but differences must make us know and understand each other, so that tolerance and togetherness are kept, as that in the Quran of Quran verse 13. That's all for today. I'm not going to set you any homework today. See you next week. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.